Hey guys, Chef Jim here. We are getting ready to roll out our spring menu with traditions, and we just wanted to showcase very quick spring, kind of a Southwest barbecue chicken salad. So let me get you turned around here. We'll take a look at our ingredients. So we have some romaine lettuce that we're going to be chopping up. We have some barbecue sauce, some ranch dressing, black beans. We have some little corn niblets. We have some diced tomato, shredded cheese, and some diced red onion. We're also going to be adding some beautiful sauteed chicken breast here in a little while. Okay to be a little bit generous. So now that they're seared on that side, we will go ahead and flip them over. Now that both sides are seared and well seasoned, we will finish these in the oven. This oven baking process keeps the chicken breast from drying out. Going to add my barbecue sauce to a bowl. I'm also going to add the ranch dressing, equal parts, ranch dressing and barbecue sauce. Okay, our chicken is rested. I'm just going to cut this up and see how moist that looks. Oh my gosh. So we have all these beautiful toppings, and we're just going to start layering and sprinkling our salad and making it all colorful. Probably 3 or 4 ounces to a salad is a great mix here. A little extra springtime love. We will wipe off our plate.